Hello and welcome to Krista So Crafty. I'm really happy that you're here with me today. Today I'm going to be making a t-shirt for 100 days of school. So tomorrow, which is, what is the date? March 16th is the 100th day of school here in Alberta where I work. And I just thought, it'd be fun to make a t-shirt. I know the bunch of the classes are doing different things and stuff like that to celebrate 100 days of school. So I thought, why not? We'll make one too. So stick with me and I will show you. It's not a tutorial, but it's definitely showing you how to take a t-shirt and just making it your own. So let's get right into it. It's all done. Do you want to see? I went to Michael's and I picked up, my daughter calls it periwinkle. It looks purple. Anyways, it's periwinkle. And I thought, you know what? Let's make it bright. Why not, right? So let's go try it on. There we go. What do you think? I think it looks so cute. So this color purple is very pretty. Sorry, periwinkle is very pretty. I do like the color. I normally stick with like black shirts when I buy them and make them, but hey, I like it. I think that the colors are definitely showing up on here. You can definitely tell that I'm celebrating 100 days of school, which is the point. It's wonderful. Do you guys celebrate 100 days of school with your children? If you have children, grandchildren, do they do things at the school for 100 days of school? Do you work at a school? Yeah, you know what, put that down below. I would love to find out if you do anything for 100 days of school. Thank you again for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a quick little video showing you what I've done to make a shirt for a day at school. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing and join me if you'd like. And I would love for you to join me over on my Facebook page as well, Krista So Crafty. I really, really appreciate every one of you for joining me. Happy crafting.